On nyo muna yung kotse. Press mo yung brake. Tapos press mo yung engine. Hold nyo yung brake mo. All the way down. Tapos R tayo sa reverse. Tapos paunti-unti lang. Make sure na walang traffic coming from both sides. Mag inch back until na tapos doon tayo pupunta. So paglabas mo, pag wala na, yung cabig mo is to the left. Kung saan mo gusto pumunta yung likod mo, doon mo rin yung cabig yung steering wheel. Kung gusto mong yung kotse is gonna go back to the left and leftin yung steering.
Tapos slowly release brake.
Apa. Pag na-release mo yun, mag-roll back lang siya. Back. Neutral. Neutral ka siguro. Check mo yung kung ano yung nakalagay dun sa naka-N ba siya o naka-R?
Naka-N po.
Nalagay mo sa R.
Okay. Dapat nasa
Yung R reverse.
kaya
Control mo lang siya. Tapos start cabin to the left. Okay, keep moving. Keep cabin. Turn. Keep going. Turn. Keep turning left.
Ay.
Sige. Stop muna tayo mo. Okay po. Lagay mo na sa drive.
Okay.
Adjust mo na yung steering wheel as you go forward. Right foot lang. Over ka muna sa hindi ka yata nakakasita. Sige, diretso mo. Dito pa. Sige pa, pasok mo. So, stop mo na dito. Ayun, park. Okay. Tapos bago ka magpula, check mo yung left side mirror. Make sure nobody's approaching from the back. So, pag okay na. Keep your eyes straight ahead. Gas ng front. Diyan tayo sa stop sign. you stop first, you go first. Diretso. Dito ka lang focus. Nice and easy. Just focus lang dito sa road mo. Stop. Yeah. Hold there. Release mo yung adjust. Sige naman. Adjust ka ng konti. Just keep your eyes straight ahead. You're doing fine. Just keep going straight. Keep your eyes straight ahead. Diretso lang. Then focus lang straight ahead. Adjust ka ng konti. Pag nag-split yung lane dito tayo sa right side, sa right
Okay,
lane. Tapos doon sa stop sign, be prepared to stop. Okay, right lane tayo. Nice and easy. Start braking. Tapos dito. Continue. Lapit pa dun sa stop sign. Keep your eyes straight ahead. Diretso mo dun sa line. Full stop. Nauna din siya. Pag go ng pick up, dito tayo sa right side. Sige, go.
Magsasay
Go na,
na po
go,
ako.
go.
Ayun.
Diretso. Straight, straight.
Ay, straight po.
Straight lang, straight lang. Straight lang, gas.
Eh,
Gas,
gas.
gas, go, go,
Ay.
go, 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 go. Yeah. Go, keep going. Keep gassing. Tapos dito lang tayo sa right. Relax ka lang, ma'am. Relax. Relax lang yung hands mo. Yeah. Okay. So, kung masyado kang stiff, hindi mo feel yung so, dapat relax lang. Yeah. Stay on the right lane. Go straight. Just ng konti dito. So, just ka konti-konti lang. So, relax. Okay lang?
Opo.
Diretso lang. Diretso lang tayo.
Sa dire-diretso lang po sa
Diretso lang.
sa green.
Keep your eyes straight ahead. Focus sa lane mo. Keep your eyes straight ahead. Keep your eyes straight ahead. Keep your eyes straight ahead. Don't stare on the side. Keep your eyes straight ahead. Mag-switch tayo sa left side, mama. Signal ka
Sige,
muna.
sir.
Gag-guide kita.
Tama
Tapos
po
keep
ba?
going. Sige.
Tama
Huwag mo
po ba
na-
yung signal ko?
Check mo yung left side mirror mo.
Meron sa likod.
Just look over your left shoulder. Good check lang. Tapos mag-guide lang kita. I'm gonna guide you.
Tapos pupunta na.
Ganyan lang mag-switch lang. Kasi start braking. So signal off. Okay, diretso lang. Stay on this line. Straight ahead.
So diretso lang po
Diretso
ako
lang.
mag-gas.
Diretso. Go straight. Keep your eyes straight ahead. Focus on your lane. Stay close sa yellow line. Stay ka lang dito sa lane na to, close to the yellow. Keep going straight ahead. Just be aware ng traffic, but we have the right of way, so you don't have to wait for us.
Yun ang naisip na, parang pag biglang nanggagaling sa right
Kung
side.
talagang alanganin, they have to brake, pero if not, we have the right of way. So while you're driving straight, pwede kang mag-scan, but don't stare in one direction. So bali, observe mo yung traffic mo straight ahead, the pedestrian, the kotse lumilito, oncoming traffic. So merong stop sign ahead. Diretso lang tayo. So speed limit goes down to 25. Hindi pa yan yung stop
Ay,
sign.
baka po yan.
Pero ito. We prepare to stop it. Brake, brake, brake. Yan. Close that. Wala na siya. Okay, and go. Wala na siya. Gusto mo. Okay, that's fine. Gusto mo na, let him go. Again, you go next. Go. Go, go, go. Okay, yan. Gusto na mauna, I'll let him go first, that's fine. So it's good to have eye contact minsan sa ibang driver, so pag bigyan ka na ng signal to go, then it's good if you go. Pero kung langanin, it's okay, let him go first. All the way to the end, tapos left turn. Slow down. Signal left. Kasi dito left turn na yun. Then, don't cross the yellow. Pass mo muna yung yellow bago ka mag-turn.
Kailang pass.
Keep going forward. Okay, good. Keep going. Keep going. And turn. Start. No, no, don't stop. Turn. 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 So dito walang stop mo. Kasi wala kang stop sign. Start turning back. Oh, balik ka dito sa exit. So you're on the wrong side. Balik ka dito. Yeah, straight ahead. Divide mo lang yung road into 2 lanes and make sure you're not on the other side. So straight ahead, don't stare at the pedestrian. Be aware na nandyan siya pero don't stare at them. Try not to go too far out. Pagpas mo sa kanya, balik na is easy. Okay. Adjust a little. Okay. Kung silaw, pwede mong baba itong ano din. Yung visor. May bump na naman. So you don't necessarily have to stop. That's one, and adjust a little bit to the right.
lagi na stop to sir.
Yes, ma'am. Kung may hazard, yung mga bumps, ganun, pwede ka mag-slow down. Kung low yung visibility mo, adjust mo lang yung speed. Slow down ka ng konti. Slow down ka ng konti. Slow down pa rin. Brake ka ma? Brake. Kasi magta-turn tayo. So be aware ng mga ganitong situation. Kasi follow mo yung street. Huwag mo siya ng too much. So but every time you turn, i-observe mo kung magkano yung turn mo. Then how the car respond para hindi masyadong too much yung
Ay,
balik.
dyan po ba?
Stop mo. Stop mo. Stop. Saan pupunta mo doon? Dito tayo. Saan mo pupunta doon?
Dito siguro sa entry natin. So, may signal, mag-signal.
Hindi na, don't worry about that for now. Don't worry too much about yung signaling mo. If you have time to signal, signal. Pero kung wala, don't worry about it. Just focus on getting back on the road. Safety first always. Kung yung alanganan na yung signal, don't worry about it. So scan mo yung road straight ahead and then observe mo kung ano yung dapat na next na action. Para you know kung the road is ending, curving, gano'n. So okay na yung speed na yan kasi low yung visibility mo. Para meron kang time mag-react just in case something jumps in front of you. So yan, for example, meron siyang sign na yung road magiging parang nag-tigas siya, gano'n. So be prepared for that. So nice and easy. Try to stay in your lane. Turn. Slow down. Brake ka ng konti mo. Yan. And turn yung wheel mo faster. Yan. Kasi sharp turn siya. Tapos balik faster also. Yan. Kasi you're running too fast then you're turning too slow. Yung speed mo is ganon pero yung turn mo may slow. So dapat match mo yung speed ng turn mo sa speed ng kotse. So pag medyo sharp turn siya, kabig ka agad para umanggal ka agad. Kung medyo wide naman siya, konti lang. Yung arrow sa up ahead, it means na gumagano pa konti yung road. Hindi siya straight. Tapos may stop sign ka. Stay in your lane. Okay, stay close to the yellow line. Tapos magle-left turn tayo dito. Focus ka muna sa stop sign. Just a little bit closer. Right here. Stop. Signal left. Tapos mag-turn ka, medyo i-wide mo ng konti gano'n. Tapos pag turn mo, turn close to the yellow line.
Ay, yung double line na yun, sir.
Always turn to the lane closest to you. So pull up mo muna ng konti. Go ahead. Pag safe na, you can go ahead and make the turn. Sige, diretso na. Kasi may stop sign din siya. Okay, turn na yung steering wheel mo. Don't stop though. Keep turning. Focus dito, ma'am. Huwag kang mag-stare doon sa kanya. Focus doon. Okay,
Dito
focus
sa
on.
kanya.
Straight ahead. Look straight ahead. Okay. Okay, gas. I'm gonna guide you. Kasi nakafocus ka dun sa sasakyan. Okay, look straight ahead and diretso. Focus in your lane. May stop sign kasi siya, so you shouldn't be focused with him. Focus. Pag turn mo lang ganon, it's your turn. Do your turn. Huwag ka na mag-focus dun kasi you're already in the intersection. Light magra-right turn pa. Be prepared to stop when you get a chance. Signal right. Go closer. One car away. Closer. Focus ka dito sa turn mo.
Hindi ako nakasignal, sir.
Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Just focus
Turn
on
na,
your turn.
turn na.
Not yet. Okay, turn. Turn. Keep turning. Hold. Back. Good. Hold. And stay in your lane. Yung signal, if you remember, then it's fine. If you don't remember, don't worry too much about it for now. Pero the signal turns off by itself. Once you signal, kung nagta-turn ka, it will turn off by itself.
Kaya pala.
The only time you turn it off is if you're switching lane.
Ang bigla siya nawala.
Dito ka focus. Nice and easy. Left turn tayo dito. Sa kaming left turn dito. Adjust ka ng konti sa right side. Adjust ka ng konti sa right to make room for the other guy. Pili ka lang. Side ka ng konti. Adjust ka ng konti sa right side. Especially pag curve na ganyan kasi pag may oncoming traffic hindi ka nila makikita. When you're blocking the way. Nasa other side na tayo ng golf course. Kind of. Just in case you're wondering kung nasa. So bali yung Walmart is nandun na yung golf. Ang approach. 95 na yun eh. Sa taas.
Ayun, yung maraming
95 na yun. Diretso tayo dun sa pero hindi naman tayo pupunta ng 95. Dead end naman kasi yung street. Kaya tayo na magkikita tayo. Yung no outlet, ibig sabihin dead end.
Kaya pala may ganyan pa din sa doon din sa atin. Yung outlet.
Practice lang keep right. Oh, pero keep right ka kasi two-way pa. Slow lang ka dito tapos dito siguro post up tayo. turning your steering wheel. Wala na.
Wala.
Dead end na. Wala na. Tapos balik ka agad fast. Yeah. Kasi sharp siya. It's okay. It's okay. Okay. Diretso lang. Pag mga ganitong situation, guard mo yung brake mo just in case na mag-pull out sila. So relax lang. Just relax. Keep on straight. So pag nag-wiggle yung steering wheel, don't fight with it. Just let it wiggle a little bit, pero just guide it to keep going straight. Sige, diretso. Kasi mag-wiggle talaga yan, depende sa road conditions. Kasi guide mo lang siya pabalik ng center. Okay, just control your speed on the turn. Stay on your line. Keep driving ng konti. So may stop sign tayo. After stopping, diretso tayo. Right, para may space yung magta-turn sa street natin. Go closer a little bit para makita ka nila. Go closer, closer, and then stop. Kasi kung malayo ka, hindi ka nila makikita. So dito medyo yung visibility na medyo low. So yung gawin tayo, mag-i-inch forward tayo to make sure na clear dito before we go across. Don't clear and go. Diretso mo.
Ay, bro.
Okay. Ikot-ikot muna tayo. Practice tayo. Try to stay on your side. Kahit na walang traffic, always try to practice na, kumbaga, pretend na meron oncoming traffic. So the right turn. Just pretend na mayroong traffic on the other side, so stay on your lane. Kasi para maging muscle memory siya, kasi pag nagpa-practice ka and you're always driving on the middle, magiging habit yun eh. So kahit walang traffic, pretend na meron siyang oncoming traffic. Para hindi siya masanay na you're always driving on the middle. Sa stop sign, magra-right turn ka. Ikot-ikot lang muna tayo para makafocus ka sa turns. So observe mo yung reaction ng kotse habang tinaturn mo yung steering wheel, and adjust next time. So observe mo yung speed mo, observe mo yung steering mo, and see how the car reacts para adjust ka on the next turn. Mag-right turn ulit tayo. Masyadong slow yung pag-turn ng steering. Ayan, so all the way to the end, tapos magra-right. Do you have any questions, huh?
Wala pa.
Right turn ulit tayo. stop mo. Tingnan mo yung position mo sa road, you're angled the wrong way. Based on your position, you're looking like you're making a left turn. So, makikita nila yung position mo and then they're gonna think na you're going that way kasi doon nakatutok yung sasakyan. Unahin mo ito kasi pag nag-turn ka mamaya, you're gonna swing wide. Right turn ulit tayo sa next intersection. Focus on your turn. Sige po na. Focus on your turn. Just quickly to the right side. A little bit lang. Make room for the other guy. Let's right turn ulit tayo. Ng konti. Tapos full stop. Okay. Tapos pag turn mo dito ka na mag-focus and observe mo yung car mo while you're steering the wheel. Saka kung ano yung speed mo para mag-stop. Collect. So watch out for that guy who pull out siya. He's facing the wrong way. So unahin muna siguro natin yung other car behind. Safe. Doon ka lang focus sa street mo, don't stare at them. Focus dito sa don't stare at them, focus straight ahead. Straighten up mo muna. Don't focus on the turn. Straighten up mo muna. Just take your time. Inch forward para makita mo yung traffic on the left. And then whenever it's safe, unahin mo. Okay, signal left ka para alam mo. You can let this guy go too. Inch forward a little. Okay. Put a gas to push it. Straight line pag merong line medyo okay naman ang truck. Pull over tayo dun sa kasi yan. And that's it. And park. Park. P. Alright. So okay na yung driving unang konti pag merong line, pero usual nakikita ko parang pag wala siyang line you still tend to pull on the left, so either you're on the middle or you're too far on the left side. Yung middle okay lang, pero sometimes nakikita ko you're all the way on the other side, so you're definitely driving on the wrong
line ng kabila.
yung yung acceptable is middle. Pero once you pull out na too far out, that's too much. Kasi you're already on the wrong side of the road eh. So try to be aware of that next time. So, every time na nagka-turn ka, observe mo always yung okay, I'm making this turn. What is my speed? Ano yung angle ko? Kung yung speed ko is ganito, ano ba yung steering na ideal for this speed? So dapat next time na pagdating mo sa corner na yon, adjust mo naman next time yung adjust mo yung speed mo, adjust mo yung the way you steer. Dapat every time na say, okay, kung ginanon ko lang, ano yung reaction na? Pag ginanon ko, ano yung reaction na? Pag slow yung turn ko ng steering wheel, anong reaction ng sasakyan? Pag ginanon ko naman mabilis, ano yung reaction ng sasakyan? Is it, ang dapat ba is slow na ganito? O dapat ba ganito yung pag-steering ko? Yun yung i-observe mo every time na nag-turn ka. Observe mo kung yung turn ko ba is wide o yung turn ko ba is sharp ng ganon. So kung mayroon kang 5 miles per hour for example, kung wide siya, okay yung ganito. Pero on the same speed, kung yung angle niya is sharper, same speed siya, pero yung steering mo mas mabilis. Kasi otherwise pag ginanon mo lang, di mag-wide kang ganon. So kasi yung steering wheel, so kung medyo masyado siyang wide, steer ka agad. Tapos i-ano mo kung nasaan parati yung ano mo, kung nasaan yung middle. So it's gonna take a little bit more work. Okay, siya mo na. Next time naman.